Yeah, hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to talk about have a daily target in mind when you are driving for a ride sharing company. So yes, in some, I guess, advertising with like Uber, for example, they provide you at $30 per hour. Don't look at that as your hourly rate, because there's going to be during lunchtime where your hourly rate can go drop to about $10 an hour. So don't look at that. And that one there, you gotta play the game in a sense of, okay, for me to achieve that $30 an hour, I gotta work in a peak hour. So if you want to maximize your income, then yeah, work on a peak hour. Work where they actually tell you to work. But for me, having a daily target, it keeps you motivated, and I guess you don't look at this as a like a 9 to 5 type of gig, because they're not paying you 9 to 5, and it's not a 9 to 5 gig. Don't look at it, okay, oh yeah, if I'm working in the office for the day, 8-hour day, I'm gonna get X amount of dollars, $200 a day or something like that. But with this one, you gotta have your own personal target to meet or to achieve every day, and stick with the routine. Like if you are regularly earning a certain figure, let's say $100 in the morning, before peak hour, like during peak hour, sorry, then that would be your routine. That would be your schedule, and don't expect more, but expect less. I mean, obviously, if you log on a lot more longer, then yeah, you're probably gonna get more. But if you log on a lot less, then obviously you're gonna get paid less. So don't expect also, during lunchtime you're gonna have a very good run during weekdays, because people in the office, people don't go out much during lunch, except probably like office to office, couple of meetings here and there. But if you live in suburbia, then it might be a bit different. It might be a lot more quiet as well. So that's my information for today. Like, have a daily target. Like, okay, if you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, by lunchtime, 6 hours, I'm expecting this amount. However, at the same time, don't get hurtful if you don't achieve your target. There's always another day. There's always, don't get disappointed, and don't try to put that much of a target. Driving for Uber or driving in any ride sharing company, it's carrot in a stick type of style. They dangle the carrots in front of you long enough for you to actually buy it and do another one. So the expectation is, what I meant is, don't chase the surge as well. Don't chase the promotion. I don't drive in a, like, if there's a special event, I don't drive in those locations. What I meant by special event would be like the races, football games, maybe a concert hall. I don't drive in the hours of those, because it's so hard to find the passengers, and sometimes the road being blocked off and you don't know which way to go, and sometimes you gotta wait a long time just to get to the passenger. So I don't go to those, I don't chase those. Like I mentioned previously, if I don't have a passenger, I just hang around for about 10 or 15 minutes and then I move on. In that 10 or 15 minutes, I mean, you can clean up your car, have lunch, stretch your legs. That's what I used to do. So yeah, I don't see the need of you chasing this target, because well, not the target, the promotion, because sometimes it's not worth it, in the sense of, if you were to go from, let's say, in the city, and then it turned out to be the search or the promo, it's actually about half an hour away. You're driving empty for that half an hour. It costs you fuel and wear and tear. It might not seem to be much, but it's actually a lot over time. So yeah, try to minimize your driving in a sense. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and if you have any questions at all, write it down on the description, on the comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, bye.